On June 20th, Georgia Judge Christina Peterson found herself in hot water, getting arrested for pushing a police officer and not following his orders. The drama unfolded outside an Atlanta business where the officer was trying to calm things down between security and a woman. Despite already being recorded, she asked a friend to film the incident. Her lawyer claims she was trying to help, but ended up arrested instead of the real troublemaker. Stay tuned as we break down what happened. The scenes were really intense. The fight was at its peak when cops arrived.
Just punch the cop.
No, I did not! Don't get my purse! No!
Christina, I have your stuff.
I got it. Thank you, Katie. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Where's your purse?
I got it.
Back up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She was helping the girl out.
I didn't push. No, I didn't. No, I don't push niggas. No, I did not. No, I don't punch me.
Okay.
Are you serious?
I don't understand this. He pushed that girl.
Peterson denied pushing the officer and claimed she was helping a girl while her friend backed her up. She also showed frustration over being accused.
Are you serious?
She was trying to help out the girl.
He was
That girl was getting slugged by a
record, that is, record, please. Please.
Take it to the Jeep.
And he took off my... Come here, Christina. You told him to record you? I said. Okay. Officer. Did you give them your name? No. Christina Peterson. No. Where's my purse? I got everything. Thank you. What happened, officer? Please tell me what happened, please. She was trying to help another girl.
Okay, if I come there, why are you swinging on me?
She was trying to help another girl that was fighting. A man was beating a girl.
Peterson and her friend discussed the situation, emphasizing that she was trying to help the girl who was being assaulted.
Please don't arrest her.
Nobody did anything. That girl said
Because a guy was beating her.
Wait. That's it.
That's my friend,
Hold on.
please.
I'm going to take it to the Jeep. Okay, there we go. All right. They got us back up. I apologize. I just told you.
Peterson's friend pleaded with the officers not to arrest her, highlighting that Peterson was trying to help the girl being beaten by a man.
6955 X-ray. Do you have a unit with a fingerprint scanner that can 5'9" let me Park City Jail?
I'm not scared of jail. I'm not scared of none of it. Take me where you need to take me.
Units at Grady.
Now she was in the police vehicle. Peterson was informed that the fingerprint scanner was being brought to the jail, and she expressed frustration. Peterson declared that she was not scared of jail or the officers.
All right, can you step up?
Stop touching. I got it. I can walk on my own. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I got it. I can walk on my own. Don't touch me. Be the woman and think I'm about to watch it and be told it. You weird.
Peterson repeatedly asked the officers to stop touching her, showing her frustration with the handling.
You're losing me. Are you recording?
Ma'am, you can be here and stay here, and your friends can pick you up.
No.
The ones that were in the Audi.
Listen.
That's it. All I have to do is put your name and date of birth on here, so you can get booked in.
You
Peterson called the officer a liar when he asked her to provide her name and date of birth. She was not in a cooperative mood.
Hey, what's the problem? You want an extra officer? Well, I wanted to know what's going on because I don't know if you want to go home, but we could be all day with you until we find out who you are. I don't know if you got plans tomorrow. Listen, you can be all year with me. Listen, if I'm falsely arrested, I'm fine with that because that's what it was. Well, he got body cameras saying that. And I would love to see. Can you play it back? Well, we can't play it back right now because it's still recording. Well, listen. I've been sitting here probably about 2 hours. We can't stop this recording. Oh, well, then that would be a disturbance. Don't you got a recording? I'm sorry. You recording? I just tell my okay. So perhaps let's see his and see how it's looking. It doesn't work that way. You can always, you can always.
Peterson questioned the officers about the ongoing situation and doubted the fairness of the arrest process.
You are so you arrested now. Oh, I'm arrested now. You are. At what point was I? Once he left that location with you, that's what I thought. I thought so too, but I didn't know what I was arrested for. But I was being sergeant. So you're saying it was. Now you're saying it was. You're saying he made up something else. What are you saying it was, or what's the real charge? Because I just want to make sure I have the charge down. It was obstruction.
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct. Yes. Okay.
Peterson was finally informed about her arrest for disorderly conduct, and she sought clarification about the charges while expressing disbelief.
Go down and count me.
So he didn't arrest the woman he beat up, or me? So I just get beat up. I just get arrested for the person he beat up.
Can't watch fucking.
I wasn't there. So you can ask the judge whenever that happens. All right. Yeah. You put your foot in. Daniel,
Arrington demanded that the Atlanta Police Department and District Attorney Fani Willis take several actions. Arrest the actual attacker and drop the charges against Peterson. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the incident involving Georgia Judge Christina Peterson. What do you think about the situation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on stories like this. Stay tuned for our next video.